At your crib, I'm at your job.
JPEG motherfucking nauseous, yeah.
You know, it's motherfucking JPEG Mafia, you know what I mean? I don't want to slow down. 443 718, it's nasty. Son, look bitch, I'm nauseous, I'm moving conscious, I'm smoking dope to clear my conscience, a fucking Martian. Peggy, how you spit so awkward, the beepy barking, I'm peeping Breakfast Club like damn, I wish I watched the park. At your crib, I'm at your job, I'm like a fucking stalker. 40 buck turn Steven Universe to Stephen Hawking. I'm about them karmas, fuck your comments. I told a llama, in IRL you got no armor, I got no father. Catch me at the harbor, these crackers harmless. You ain't a shooter, bitch, that's fucking talking shit on Twitter, bitch, what you accomplished? Nothing.
Like, why does that even make any sense? Do you know what I mean? Like, shit like that, there should be some sort of like law, unless they like, yeah, like in their will to consent, like that's the type of decision you have. Anybody should do like anything.
Good. It's just like, yeah.
She's a fucking Martian. Peggy, how you spit so